Are you having problems that your BonChat app that it's not working for you and you want to be able to fix this? Well then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I myself was able to fix it. So firstly, what we're going to do, we're going to close the BonChat app and instead we're going to go into the settings app on our phone. So I'm just going to go back into the main page on my settings right here, as you can see, and now just scroll down in here and click on General. And then scroll down again and click on Storage, on storage right here. And now just wait for this page to load and then scroll up and click on search. Search for BonChat right here and click on the app. Now click on offload app and once again click on offload app in here. Just wait a couple of seconds and then click on the reinstall app button. Now just simply wait for your BonChat app to completely update to its latest version. And then when it's done, you can go back into the app and try once again and see if that can actually fix this issue for you. This actually fixed it for me, so I hope that this will be able to fix it for you as well.